every ending is just a new beginning in disguise. Kaya kung gagamitin mo wisely ang resources mo ngayon, they can be seeds that will grow into something bigger than we imagined. Welcome to the show where big ideas meet practical strategies. This is Startup,
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Alam mo, Bri, these days, I've been spending time reflecting on everything that happened sa 2025 ko. I am figuring out which lessons and wins yung dapat na dalhin ko sa next year at alin yung mga dapat kong iwan na.
I feel the same, Hannah. I've been recalling both the good memories and tough moments with gratitude. But more than anything, I want to spend the rest of my November and December happily.
And that's possible, especially now that it's the season of employee benefits. Christmas bonus, 13th month pay, marami ng budget for creating memories with people who matter. You can shop, you can travel, and you can even purchase lots of gifts for yourself and for your loved ones.
Those are fun ideas, but we can do something more meaningful with the extra cash that we will receive this season. We can start a business. Kahit maliit ang puhunan, kung tama ang idea at execution, pwedeng maging stepping stone to entrepreneurship.
You have a very great point. So today, let us talk about that. Ano nga ba ang mga startup businesses na pwedeng simulan gamit ang 13th month pay?
Unang idea, food business. Kasi kahit anong season, kumikita ang pagkain, lalo na ngayong Kapaskuhan. With 10K to 20K, pwede kang magsimula ng small food venture like baked goods, milk tea, coffee, or frozen meals.
Yes, kung marunong kang magluto, may advantage ka. Pero kung hindi naman, okay lang din kasi pwede ka namang mag-resell na lang ng mga ready-made products. Ang important naman is yung i-ensure mo yung quality.
Tama! Isipin nyo mga kanego, pwede kang gumawa ng banana bread o bumili ng cookies at i-resell ito. Sa counting ingredients, simpleng packaging, at marketing sa FB or IG, pwede kang kumita. Kung makabenta ka ng 50 boxes at 150 each, 7,500 agad.
Plus, pwede kang mag-target ng niche like healthy snacks, vegan options, or budget-friendly food packs. Kung masarap pa ng mga tao, edi repeat customers ang resulta.
Next naman ay online retail. Ang daming platforms ngayon like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, among many others. Pwede kang magbenta ng clothes, gadgets, or even curated gift sets. Bili ka ng trendy items like phone cases or fashion basics from wholesale suppliers, then sell them with the markup.
Ang maganda pa riyan, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking inventory. You can start small, then test the market muna before you scale up. You can also play with social media marketing kasi free naman. Creativity lang ang puhunan.
Kung may skill ka naman sa graphic design, voice-over services, or social media management, pwede mong gamitin ang 13th month pay mo to invest sa tools or training para mag-improve palalo. Service-based business ito, so low ang monetary capital na kailangan at simpleng equipment lang naman. Ang totoong puhunan sa mga ganito ay skills at oras mo. Maaari ka pa makakuha ng clients abroad kasi hindi limited ang customer base mo sa location ng business.
Similarly, you can try offering digital products. E-books, online courses, templates. Kung meron kang expertise sa mga nabanggit niya kanina, pwede mong i-package into something that people can buy online. One time lang ang paggawa, pero pwedeng mag-generate ng income, ng passive income for months or even years.
Kung medyo mas malaki naman ang 13th month pay mo, pwede ka rin mag-consider ng small franchise like food carts or kiosk. May mga packages naman na nagsisimula from 20,000 to 30,000. Makikita mo naman along the streets, di ba? Like siomai carts, chicken kiosks, or coffee stalls. Alamin mo lang kung ano ang demand sa area mo para malaman kung ano ang best franchise na get.
Right. Advantage pa niyan, may existing brand at system na so you won't be starting from scratch. Ang kailangan mo na lang i-consider is yung location at better customer service.
Last idea, print on demand. Kung mapapansin mo sa ganitong panahon, people buy personalized gifts to give sa mga mahal nila or mga importanteng tao. Customized t-shirts, bags, mugs, jewelries, and a lot more.
Tama! Just target yung mga barkada groups, online communities, and office giveaways. Kung ito ang business na naisip mo, dapat creative ka sa pag-produce ng relatable, compelling, at trendy marketing materials.
Mga kanego, the last quarter can feel like the end of an era that you will miss, so it's hard to say goodbye. Pero at the same time, it's a hello to something possibly brighter. Ang catch lang, kailangan mong gumawa ng tamang decisions ngayon para mas maganda ang simula bukas.
Exactly! Gaya sa 13th month pay, pwede itong maging extra cash na mabilis lang mawala, pero pwede ring maging seed money for brighter future.
May quote nga na nagsasabing, every ending is just a new beginning in disguise. Kaya kung gagamitin mo wisely ang resources mo ngayon, they can be seeds that will grow into something bigger than we imagined.
The best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether skills, small business, or even mindset, lahat ng ito pwedeng magsimula sa simpleng 13th month pay.
Paano ba yan mga kanego? We have to say bye for now. But if you found this episode inspiring, please like, share, and follow our page for more entrepreneurial insights. This has been Brian.
And Hannah, see you sa next episode ng Startup
Now na!
Usapang Payaman Online Tambayan.